Get started with OneDrive at work. Welcome to M365 Professional. You can save your business files in OneDrive and then work with them from any device. In the App Launcher, select OneDrive. If you're not on Microsoft 365, use the web address your admin gave you. First, let's upload some files and folders. Use the tabs at the top, or simply drag and drop. OneDrive supports over 300 different file types. By default, you're the only one that can see your files. Select any file to open and view or edit it. To share a file, select it and tap the icon. If your organization allows it, you can share with people outside your organization. You control if they can edit the file or just view it. You can also set an expiration date, copy link, or send a message. And control when you want to stop sharing. You can share, edit, and view your docs anywhere. You can sign into Office.com on PCs, Macs, or using mobile apps. And if you make changes, docs will automatically update the next time you connect to OneDrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.